studio is mostly done, so I thought I would just give you guys a little tour. And we'll just start right here. That's the door. This is where I have most of my kits organized. These are mostly all my soul kits. I do still have some more kits in the garage, but I'm trying to keep soul in here and all of my like reborn open edition out there. These are where I have most of my supplies. I can give you a little sneak peek in here. It is super, super messy, but I absolutely love having everything like tucked away. This one is mostly all photography supplies in there. This is my absolute favorite piece in the room. I got this for $50 off of Craigslist. It was bright orange, super ugly. I painted it and got some new drawer pulls. And I use this really like as an island. I can assemble babies on here, wrap my box opening stuff. I have cloth bodies, um, rip all my box packing stuff, diapers, and then clothing to send home are in those drawers. This is my photo area right now. This here is just my little photo table, and these are all my cushion blankets. And then I put my actual photo blankets and stuff on top of this. More on this. So I bought these awesome things on Amazon. You can take them off, but I put all of my wrapping paper rolls on them. I think they're actually for curtains. They're like a removable curtain rod, but they work so good. I can just pull my wrapping paper up, cut it, wrap my gifts. I've always had my wrapping paper like standing up in a corner or getting wrinkled and messed up. So this is absolutely awesome. This right here is where I do most of my filming for you guys. It is my work table. And look at this. Okay, I absolutely love this. I am so, so organized. I have these all broken up by product line. You can see I have all of them, all the products, basically. Um, this is all like heat set from there over, and then I have air dry silicone solvents up there. This is where my oven is right now. It's just so nice, like knowing exactly what I have. I have all the colors organized. It makes doing tutorials so much easier because I can just grab like exactly what I need and film. This is my office podcast filming area over here. I have some little Tate treats from when he was in here when I was filming the other day. Um, I really don't like this setup right here. I want to do, I don't know, I've been debating either doing like a shiplap wall back here, or doing some shelving where I can put babies and other stuff. But right now, that's what I have going on. I also need another one of these office chairs. But there's my computer, my mirror to make sure I don't have crazy hair or anything before we go on camera. That is next week's schedule, but look at how organized that is. I've been trying really hard to like stay on task and be organized. That is a little temporary thing. I might paint it and keep it. I don't know, but I have my printer and all that stuff. So yeah, this is my new space. I am absolutely loving it so far. For those of you that saw my old space or knew it and what it was like, it was absolutely awful. It was so tiny. It made me not want to film. Like I just did tutorials. I didn't want to film anything else because I didn't want anything to be seen in the background. I had no good place to film like box packings and things like that, which now I do. I have a great photo space. I can actually like move around and get good photos. I'm super excited to take photos. I do still need to get a sheer curtain, my nemesis up there that is supposed to heat and cool my studio. However, the electrical part that goes outside is defective. So we have to get a new one. So right now I don't have good heating or cooling, but luckily I'm in Florida. Right now it's November and it's 70 degrees today. So things have been pretty good in here. But yeah, that is it. I hope that you guys like it. I just feel really lucky. I'm enjoying coming, being able to work in here every single day. I'm trying to make it worth it. We did go over budget by more than double, so I better work hard to make that pay off. But it is a great space, and I look forward to filming a lot of videos for you guys.